2018 Infiniti Q60 3.0 tons quick take. If midsize sedan sales just aren't what they used to be, then the coupe deserves even more pity. As more buyers abandon traditional passenger cars for crossover SUVs, two-door models can rightfully feel further snubbed. That seems a bit ironic, as seemingly every forward-thinking automotive design these days strives to be coupe-like. That said, coupes are hardly DOA. And that's refreshing for those of us seeking a more personal, sporty mode of transportation. Exhibit A, the 2018 Infiniti Q60. Essentially a two-door version of the Q50 luxury sedan, the Q60 was once known as the G Coupe until Infiniti renamed its lineup. Just last year came an all-new Q60, boasting a potent new twin-turbo V6, enhanced technology and a gorgeous shape. Choice of trims, range of power. A healthy number of trim choices are available for the Q60, with Infiniti listing 10 in all. That might seem overwhelming, but it includes variants that are all-wheel drive, AWD, in addition to the standard rear-wheel drive, RWD. If you're debating which Q60 is for you or how much you can afford, start with engine choice. On the low end and priced just under $40,000 is the Q60 2.0 tons model, powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder. With only 208 horsepower, it's a case of prioritizing show over go. On the opposite end is the Q60 Red Sport, with a roughly $53,000 starting price and a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 tuned to make 400 horsepower, nearly twice the amount of the base engine. The model delivered to us for testing is the middle child, a 2018 Infiniti Q60 3.0 tons Sport. It also uses the twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 but makes 300 horsepower. The starting price is around $45,000. As tested, though, our model nearly kissed $57,000 as it was loaded with everything from adaptive cruise control and crash prevention systems to a heated steering wheel, navigation, semi-aniline leather seats and real carbon fiber interior trim. Driving it. With 300 horsepower and 295 pounds-to-foot of torque, the 2018 Q60 3.0 tons provides seriously satisfying acceleration. And because it has rear drive, this Infiniti Coupe has the feel of a traditional sports car while also separating itself from the Audi A5 and S5, which are only offered with all-wheel drive. Shifts are made through a standard 7-speed transmission. Although gear changes aren't as smooth as those of some rivals, they're but fine nonetheless, especially in normal versus sporty driving. Unlike the Audi A5, BMW 4 Series Coupe and Cadillac ATS Coupe, a manual transmission is not available. This sport model's upgraded brakes, meanwhile, feel grabby at lower speeds as they were perhaps a little too eager to do their job well. Standard on this model is Infiniti's dynamic digital suspension, which allows you to change the level of shock damping for enhanced sportiness or comfort. If you're reconsidering this particular trim, know that the suspension still favors stiffness over comfort. Even in the standard drive mode, the Q60 3.0 tons Sport makes you aware of bumps and road imperfections. The flip side is gratifying stick-to-the-pavement handling when the road twists and turns. I found the standard drive mode more than acceptable for all but the most vigorous driving. Switching to the Sport or Sport Plus mode amplifies the driving experience by further stiffening the suspension and optimizing throttle response and shift points. Then there's the Eco mode, meant to enhance efficiency. This setting further encourages miserly driving with the optional Eco pedal, a part of the proactive package that bundles adaptive cruise control, blind spot intervention and lane departure prevention. As with other Infiniti vehicles with this feature, when Eco mode is selected, the accelerator pedal creates resistance to your foot. I've tested this feature before and still can't get used to it. It's just unnerving to have a pedal feel like it's pushing back on my foot. The takeaway: The 2018 Infiniti Q60 proves there's still life left for those seeking a luxury sport coupe. On one hand, it offers commendable features like Predictive Forward Collision Warning and a sleek design not found on rivals like the Audi A5, BMW 4 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class coupe. But unlike those luxury coupes, and as with the Lexus RC, the Infiniti lacks Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Despite that and its rather stiff ride, I found myself drawn to the Q60 enough to drive it again and again. Its invigorating power, manageable size, nimble handling and gorgeous design make it a desirable addition to anyone's garage.